Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at the GPT-5 system card. This article details how the new GPT-5 thinking model makes over 5 times fewer factual errors than previous models. And as well see the safety improvements across the board are really impressive. The work outlines their new multi-model system and a layered approach to mitigating risks, like deception and sycophancy. Alright, so to understand this new system, this table lays out the model progressions, showing how previous models map to the new GPT-5 family. We see 2 main lines of development. First, the GPT-4o model evolves into the new GPT-5 main, which is optimized for speed. Then, the OpenAI o3 model becomes GPT-5 thinking. This one is designed for deeper reasoning, using an internal chain of thought, which is like the model thinking step by step to solve complex problems before giving an answer. Building on that, this chart shows a major payoff from that improved reasoning, a huge reduction in what are called hallucinations. These are essentially when the model confidently states something that's factually incorrect. Across these 3 different fact-checking benchmarks, you can see the new GPT-5 models consistently have much lower error rates. For example, looking at the FACT score test on the right, the GPT-5 thinking model has a hallucination rate of just 1%, a huge drop from the nearly 6% rate of its predecessor, OpenAI o3. This really highlights the leap in factual reliability. And this improvement is especially critical in high-stakes areas like healthcare. These charts show performance on the Health Bench benchmark, which tests for inaccuracies in challenging health conversations. Looking at the first chart on hard hallucinations, the GPT-5 thinking model shows an error rate of just 1.6%, a massive, over 8-fold reduction compared to the older OpenAI o3 model. You see this pattern across all 3 tests, with the new models consistently and significantly outperforming the old ones. Okay, so beyond factual accuracy, the authors also tested the models against what are called prompt injections, which are basically clever tricks designed to bypass a model's safety rules. On this chart, a lower bar means the model is more secure, and the new GPT-5 thinking model really stands out. Its attack success rate is just 56.8%. The lowest on the entire chart, showing a clear improvement in security over all other models tested, including its direct predecessor. Now, another huge area of concern is the potential for misuse in sensitive domains, like biology. This table evaluates the model's capabilities on complex biological topics, like virology and human pathogens. Interestingly, if you look at the scores, the new GPT-5 thinking model actually scores slightly lower than its predecessor in some tests. This isn't a failure, but rather a feature. It reflects the new, stronger safety systems at work, which prevent the model from providing potentially dangerous information. It's a really important part of their precautionary approach to safety. So to put all these safety measures into perspective, this graph plots the stunning pace of capability growth. The vertical axis is a really interesting metric. It shows the difficulty of tasks the model can solve, measured by how long it would take a human to do them. So a higher point means a more capable model. And you can see this clear, steady progression from GPT-2 all the way up to the new GPT-5 thinking, which is tackling tasks that would take a human hours to complete. So, wrapping up, we've seen this incredible growth in capability, but the main story here is how OpenAI is trying to match that with equally impressive safety measures. The new GPT-5 system shows a huge reduction in problems like hallucinations and deception. This is thanks to a multi-layered approach, including extensive red teaming, where experts actively try to break the AI's safety rules to find flaws, and advanced training techniques. It's a major step forward, pairing power with a strong, precautionary approach to safety.